Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the question called ascending partners. So it's from 2014 Senior 2 question. So briefly, gonna introduce the question. So you have given n names, and each person will be assigned to another person. So we'll check if the assignment is good or not. A good assignment means every person is assigned to another person. Yeah, that's simple as that. There's no, a person cannot be assigned to itself or assigned twice to two different people. So every person have only one partner to go with. Okay, and for the code, we will use a dictionary to keep track of who we have been assigned. And yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's get into our code. So here we're gonna taking inputs, n equals to int input, and line 1 equals to input dot split by space. Out2 equals to input dot split. Okay, and let's create a dictionary that contains nothing to start with, and the boolean value called is good to represent if our assignment is good or not. So everything starts from good until we detect bad pairings, bad assignments, we change it to bad. And that's simple as that. So how do we detect bad pairings? So we use a for loop to loop through all the pairs. So person 1 equals to L1.I. Person 2 equals to L2 S index. So if they are the same person, then this is a bad assignment. Is good equals to 0. 0 is false, and which is also bad. Otherwise, if person 1 has been assigned, so person 1 in dictionary, and it is assigned to a different person than person 2. So dict person 1 doesn't equals to person 2. Then our assignment is bad. Otherwise, we can assign them together. So dictionary person 1 equals to person 2, person 1 equals to person 2, and dictionary person 2 equals to person 1. And in the end, we check if it's good. If it's good, if the thing is good, we just print good. Otherwise, if the thing is bad, we print bad. And that's our program. So let's try to run our sample input 2. So the answer should be bad. Bad, okay. So bad here means good because we got the correct answer. And good. Okay, so let's try to run our program in the grader. Select our language from C++ to Python. So I will consider to do more Python videos in this channel since I start doing more work with Python. I kind of like the language. So yeah. And as you can see, all the test cases passes, which means our program is running correctly. So for some conclusion, I think for this problem, the biggest challenge is to implement the dictionary bell, and then we just do some ad hoc, do what the question says, and we just gonna finish this question correctly. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.